Based on Snowstorm's clue package, it seems evident that a certain female comedian is behind the Masked Singer costume. The blue snowflake costume debuted during Comedy Roast Night, and since the show has been following a theme this season, fans assumed two comedians would be under the new costumes. Avocado was eliminated and revealed as Adam Carolla, while Snowstorm moved on to another round. The contestant sang Thank You, by Ariana Grande, and fans thought her vocals alone were enough to connect her to a comedian-turned-reality TV star. Her identity became more apparent when her clue package added up. According to her singing voice and clues, Nikki Glaser is clearly under the Masked Singer costume. In her clue package, she says, "Let me tell you something funny." This is an obvious nod to her comedy career. She goes on to call herself cold-blooded and says she can be a total bee lizard, hinting she's been called a B*TCH before. Both of these clues align with her comedy roasts. In order to roast others, she has to be cold-blooded. Otherwise, she would feel too bad to make some of the relentless jokes. She's also referred to herself as a B*TCH and has been called one by others because of her roasts. However, Snowstorm then says, "I swear I am just the sweetest thing," and people who have met Nikki confirmed that she is very nice. The clip of the Masked Singer contestant sitting in front of a fire roasting chestnuts also hints toward her comedy roasts. The contestant mentions she started her career at 18 and struggled to break into a male-dominated industry. This checks out with Nikki, who got into comedy around that age, and for a long time, there weren't many female comedians. Snowstorm's clue package hints at Nikki's reality TV career. Another giveaway was when Snowstorm said, "Things haven't always been pitch perfect." Nikki's first comedy special was called Nikki Glaser, Perfect. The contestant says they failed a lot, but bombing wildly has made me fearless. In the comedy world, bombing is when someone does really bad during a roast or routine. There was also a speed dating sign in the Masked Singer clue package, which points to the dating shows she's hosted, F-Boy Island and Blind Date. The welcome mat in her clue package is a hint toward her reality series Welcome Home Nikki Glaser. Extra clues from the night where she's been on stage with Rob Lowe and the Masked Singer panelist Ken Jeong. Nikki once roasted Rob, and she and Ken were both on a Comedy Central Alex Baldwin roast. The last clue that gives away Nikki's identity is that Yeti appeared on stage during her performance. Yeti competed in The Masked Singer Season 5 and was revealed as Omarion. Nikki and Omarion have a Comedy Central song and video together called Like They Do. The Masked Singer panelists did not guess Nikki during Comedy Roast Night, but this isn't unusual. They aren't great at guessing identities, especially on the first night. However, they were impressed by the contestants' vocals. Snowstorm's singing sounds pretty similar to Nikki's as well. While Ken thought her pitch-perfect clue matched the movie and pointed to Anna Kendrick, Ken isn't known for his accurate guesses. The other clues do not add up to Anna at all. Snowstorm didn't have too much competition during Comedy Roast Night. While Chris Jericho, who was under the bride costume, is a singer in the band Fozzy, Adam has no singing experience, and Snowstorm easily won over him. The Masked Singer contestants who have already made it to the semifinals are a much stronger challenge. Whether she makes it or not, one thing is for sure, Nikki is under the winter-inspired costume. The Masked Singer airs Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Fox.